Hey again, folks, it's Dave Wood.
And Dave Sharp, and we're here with our friend and, of course, our lead developer, Casey.
Hey, everybody.
And like we promised in video one, we're about to show you what an actual good blog looks like.
And we're also going to have Casey walk you through how anyone can use this platform to quickly and easily create a sleek and professional-looking blog.
So just to prove that technology should never, ever be a barrier to your blogging success, we actually want to pull back the curtains on the BlogBeast platform. That's why we're going to have Casey actually help us here in a bit. You'll see how easily you can actually do this stuff if, and that's a big if, you have the right tool.
The first thing I thought I'd do is show you how quickly the system helps you get your blog set up. So we thought the best way to do that might be to do a little comparison. We're going to do this as a time lapse. This is the time it takes to set up a BlogBeast blog compared to how long it takes to set up a Facebook and WordPress blog.
It's pretty obvious how easy and how fast the system makes the entire setup process. Truthfully, WordPress doesn't even stand a chance, and the setup time for a BlogBeast blog is even a bit faster than the setup time for, get this, a Facebook page, with the important difference being that once you set up a BlogBeast blog, you're ready right away to do more than kind of just socialize with your friends. With the BlogBeast, you're ready to get making money and build your business right away.
So right now we're going to go through and talk about exactly where and how the system helps you avoid the blogging blunders, the ones they went over in the first video. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with the different types of posts that you can make inside their new platform. So I've got text posts, audio posts, image posts, and video posts. So just to show just a quick text post just to start. So I'm going to click on the text button here, and then I can immediately just end up putting in my message title. So I'm going to end up saying, let's say, this is my first post. And I can put in just some descriptions, some descriptive text, whatever I want my post content to be. So I'm just going to put just something simple here just to demonstrate. So I've already created the title, I've already created the description. Now I get to choose who I'm actually going to have see that, because one of the things that we've done inside the new platform is allow you to be able to create things that are both going to be published to your blog, but we've also created some kind of social sharing features within the platform to where people who are just have just purchased certain products can see just those other kinds of posts. So I'm just going to start by just dropping down. I'm going to select my public blog just to start. So I've got my public blog selected. And then one of the other things that we've done is we've actually allowed you to have multiple blogs. So we get an Empower Network blog by default. We can create additional blogs that you can all manage from the same Empower Network account. And we'll get to that here a little bit more in a minute. So I'm going to start just out with the My Empower Network blog. Then I can choose a blog category. We're demoing, so I'm going to choose the demo category. And then we actually automatically fill in different SEO options based off of what you've actually entered in for your description and your message text. So if I look at the meta tags, the keyword tags, and meta description, it's already done some things for us. We're analyzing it for you to be able to help get you SEO options that are out there. And so really that's all there is to creating your first post. So I click publish. It actually just published out to my website. It also shows into my activity feed so I can kind of see what's going on. And it's already out there on the web for people to see.
That is something that's attractive to me because it's so simple. I can think back when I was working and building some of my other blogs, it was very difficult to embed different video code, and I had to decode or recode or whatever you call that when you translate code into something that will actually show up on the blog. And embedding a picture or an audio onto my blog was something that was so foreign to me, it was almost like another language. So that allows somebody, and just clarify for me, to easily be able to choose what type of media that they want to post to their blog.
Sure, absolutely. Probably the best way to show how easy it is just for me to do one here real quick. So let's just say that we're going to do a YouTube one to start. So I go and click Add Video, Embed from URL. I've already got a YouTube URL that I'm going to use, so I'm going to go ahead and just click Add Video. It's already there. It's already loaded up in the platform.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
It's really just that simple.
Wow, that's cool, man.
No more having to go out, figure out what embed code to use, what JavaScript or whatever to try to put into it. We just have had the entire thing completely integrated right into the platform.
Getting that to the right size actually used to take me like 5 minutes on the first blog that I have online. One thing that I want to point out for everybody watching it is that this is already set up. The person didn't have to install any plugins. They didn't have to run around the internet looking for software to buy. They didn't have to optimize anything on the front of their blog to make it look right. The blog is actually already set up. We did that earlier when we were setting up the Facebook account looking thing, only it was a little bit faster. And he's just posting to the blog without adding any additional plugins, without having to optimize anything, literally in less time than it takes to cook a pancake.
And that's really interesting because yesterday we were talking, or in the last video, to a woman who just literally, that's what she wanted to do, was to be able to, and she actually wanted to do it with her mobile phone. We may be able to showcase something like that later on. Who knows? We'll save it.
You remember actually Amber? She had spent $2,000 on her website and still couldn't put video onto it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And here she's done it in like 2 seconds. So already as we've been talking, Casey's just made that video post.
And now it's live on your blog is what you're saying.
Yeah, already live on the blog. YouTube, it's already properly formatted. It's already sized out. So you don't even have to worry about it. And you get to see it in your activity feed, but it's already been replicated out to your blog site. But wait, there's more. It actually gets even easier than that because we've tightly integrated the media hosting product along with the blog. So if you're managing your library of videos that you're going to end up publishing on the web or just any kind of video that you're going to use.
You know what I'm honestly blown away by, Dave, looking at this? My mom could have done that. You know, literally, my mom has never had a website because it's so complicated. She doesn't have a Facebook account. She could have done that in 30 seconds.
Sure. So, you know, just to continue with this new video and using our media hosting, I've already gone back to the choosing our video source. All I'm going to do down here is click Browse from Gallery. And then click, I've got a video that I've already uploaded into our media hosting service. Go ahead and just select it, click Add Video, and it's already there.
Now, what I want to point out is, and we're not going to showcase, really go through all of the things to showcase everything truthfully right now because we don't have time, but the quickness and speed of how long it takes even to be able to upload a video to our media hosting site is so much faster than anything that I've ever used before. And then the fact that you can upload it right to your blog that quick, literally how many clicks of the mouse was that?
3, 4 at the most.
At the most, and then have it on a blog post. You're now posting in the title, and how long until you have that ready to actually go?
Need one more click. And now it's gone. So now it's out of my it's on my site.
I would say that was probably 1 minute and 30 seconds, probably less.
Probably a minute if I wasn't fumbling around with the computer.
I almost overlooked it there, but it looked like you had the ability to be able to post to multiple blogs there. Now, if that's what I think it is, that's unbelievably impressive because I know what I would have had to do before to set up and have the ability to post to multiple blogs. That would have been multiple WordPress installations or multiple whatever other installations are out there. And it would have took me probably multiple weeks, if not multiple months, to get that up and running to even have the ability to be able to post to those sites right away. What was that you had the ability to be able to choose which site you wanted to post it to?
So one of the things we want to do on the new platform is make it really easy for you to basically manage your entire online presence from one account. So what we've done is with the multiple blogs feature is from your one account, you have the ability to kind of have different content on different types of sites because, you know, you might be running, you know, a site for your business and you might want to have another site to blog about kittens or whatever other kind of interest that you may have out there on the web. So
do you like kittens?
they're okay. I'm more of a dog guy, I guess.
Okay, I was just making sure. I mean, I wouldn't have judged you.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, I guess my grandma would have liked kittens a little bit more, but hey.
You're telling me my grandma could blog about her kittens.
She could blog about her kittens.
On a separate blog.
She's in.
Yeah. Well, on a separate blog, but still have her other blog that she actually makes money online with. So what we've done is we have the ability from that one account to be able to let you kind of self-direct what types of content, what types of posts that you want to show up on each of the different blogs. So this particular account that we're just playing around with here has 2 different types or 2 different blogs set up. But to go ahead and add a third, all I really have to do is go and click under the view and edit my blog. And so, you know, this is the blog that we've been playing with.
So obviously, as you guys can see, all of the content is already posted
Sure.
onto the blog. Just wanted to point that out.
Yeah, and this is just what we've been actually posting with and playing with just for a few minutes while we've been playing around here.
So in the time that we've been making this video, how many blog posts have we actually already made?
Oh, we've already made 3 posts that are actually out live on the web right now.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I think we've been talking for like 10 minutes here. It used to take me like 4 hours per blog post. So in the length of time that we've been having this conversation, you've made 3 posts that my grandma could have made on her computer with the level of complexity of what we were just doing.
Sure,
That's
absolutely.
impressive.
I just wanted to point that out.
So to be able to add, so let's just say we want a 3rd blog. We'll call this one the kitten blog because I don't have a, I've got a side business blog, so let me add another one. So all I do is click
Because
add
you
new blog. I secretly love kittens. I mean, come on. I guess it's out, right? So we'll just call this blog the kitten blog. And so it actually, what you do is you can set up a friendly name for it just to kind of be able to see what you're playing with inside the platform.
Sure.
But you also end up creating kind of what you want your presence to be online, starting out with your subdomain. So, you know, this just automatically suggested kitten blog. So let's just go ahead and do that, you know, for now. It sees that it's available, and the kitten blog is already there for us to be able to post at.
Wow.
So,
I just need to interject
Sure.
a wow. Back over to you, Casey.
So let's just say, you know, I love kittens for some. I guess we'll just go with it, right? So
Can you write I like pink kittens or I love pink kittens? I just think that would be better.
why don't I write Dave Wood likes pink kittens?
I do love pink kittens.
The secret's out.
I know.
So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to say that it's going to go to my public blog, but now I actually get to select which blog it's going to publish to. So if I go and I select the blog, you can see the 3 different blogs that I'm managing from this one account. So I'm going to put this one out on the kitten blog. So go ahead and select a category. This is the first post actually out there. So let's just say Dave Kitten as
now,
a category.
Can you make that Dave Wood Kitten instead of Dave Sharp Kitten? Because I want to clarify
we'll
that.
make sure that that's there we go.
Thank you.
It's a Dave Wood Kitten category.
Appreciate that.
All right. And so it's already filled out our SEO options like we have with the other posts we've
Can
made.
I just hold on before,
Yeah,
because
sure.
you're about to obviously publish that
Yeah, I'm
before
one
I
more
can
click.
even...
Yeah, one more click away.
I'm about to ask a question, but you're already ready to publish. Obviously, for a lot of people out there, they want to get their content ranked in the search engines because obviously we know that if your content's ranked on the first page, then you're going to get more eyeballs, more exposure, and if you understand how to convert that traffic into leads and sales, obviously more money in your bank account. I'm seeing 3 things, and it's already given us suggestions of what we should use here in our SEO. Is that really what I think it is?
Yeah, it really is. And what we're using is the content that you're putting in for the blog post. As we're analyzing it, we're looking at kind of what's there to go ahead and make sure that your different meta tags, your descriptions, your keywords, and some keyword suggestions are there. And you know, we make suggestions based on what we're seeing in your content. But if you want to go back and be able to edit or add more and keyword tag it more, that ability is there as well.
So I don't have to think about it. Essentially, the platform does the thinking for me.
Yeah, the platform absolutely does the thinking for you.
You know, I wanted to actually point something out here just because I think this is a hilarious story. We had owned the company that we run here for I think 3 or 4 months, and I logged in and I saw like all of our blog posts. I had my blog post, I had Dave Sharp's blog post, and I essentially made all my money blogging. Dave had done it through direct response. Well, Dave had like 30 blog posts back there, and they didn't have any like keywords in them or meta tags or like descriptions or anything. They had none of that stuff. And so I called Dave up and I was like, Dave, why aren't you putting like tags in your blog post? And he says, what the hell's a tag? And that's funny for somebody that is a co-owner of a blogging platform. But the reality is that most people who are out there who get started on the online don't know what that stuff is.
Yep.
And just the ability to have them in there, but allow the freedom and the flexibility for somebody who's really good at SEO to be able to alter it how they choose. It's a big deal because it's, again, something that you can just get started. You can choose to just make a decision. Your website's instantly set up. We just set up a kitten blog in like 3 seconds, and then we made our first post and already had the keywords there without you even having to know what they are. And is that something your grandma can do?